Hi there, it's Dawn, and today I'd like to take a look at this product with you. I really like this kit or this set that they send. You get this pen, one little square of wax, and then 3 different tips. This one is the single placer tip. You got, I think this one does 3. And then this one that does more, and I can't remember how many that one does. It's really easy to just pull this out and put it back, switch them out. You just pull these ones out. It also has this tip and the angled tip. And I was very curious about the angled tip because this is my first angled tip one, and I actually do like it. It allows my hand to relax more instead of having to hold my wrist and going straight up and down this way. With the curved tip, I can actually allow my hand to rest down here instead of having to be up here, and it is very comfortable, and it's a lot easier to see all around. It's easier to see the drill all around with the angled tips, so I really do like the angled tips. I like this kit because it let me experiment with a lot of different ones to see which I like, and this barrel is very comfortable and it's very pretty as well. Both of these are very comfortable and is a huge upgrade from this, which is a standard generic drill pen that you would get in a kit, in a normal kit if you just bought a kit. So this kit is a much nicer upgrade. And then from here, if you wanted to, you can even get even higher. And then above this would be like the hand turned ones. But this is one of my go-to pens. So very nice pens, very nice and comfy. This is a 3 bump, a smaller bump here, a larger bump in the center, and then a smaller bump on this side. Very easy to switch. When you want to do multi-placing, switch it over to the angle tip, switch back over. So very comfy, very nice in hand. Now this one has little rhinestones or something, sparklies, down the barrel, down the center of the barrel. And then it has this tip. And I was surprised. I actually love this tip. It works very differently than the other tips, but I love the precision that I have with this tip, and that how very easily I can see all the other drills around it, so I can make a very precise tap. The only problem with this is that it does have a very small area that it's going to tap on, and you can't, with this you would not be able to press hard onto your drill, because you try to push hard, it's just going to slip right off of the drill. This is more like packing your wax in here and then just very lightly, very delicately dabbing and dotting, not pressing hard and then pressing hard and like that. If you want to do that, you're better off with this one that has a larger tip, or your single placer that has the brass tip at the end. And even then, these brass tips do wear down, so the plastic ones will wear down even faster if you're being hard with it. Now on the other end of this is this wax tip. So this whole entire white part is some kind of hard wax, and this used to come to a very nice point. When I had that point, I absolutely loved this because it eliminated the need for me to use this wax and constantly refill. I just used this and dab. It was very accurate, very precise, very easy, very, it's like, love it, absolutely loved it. And I used this until that tip broke off. And now I don't know what to do with it. Because it's made of pure wax, I can't put it in a sharpener, but I believe I could shave that with a knife, but I wasn't going to play around with that until I made this review, just to show you what happens. And you know what was sad was it didn't even last that long. It only lasted, I don't know, maybe about 50 drills before this tip broke off. And then I ended up not really knowing what to do with it. I try to continue using it, but then it's just too blunt now at the end. It's just too big and fat at the end, and I don't like it. So I probably will try to shave this down, but that just means that this will need to be replaced sooner. And you can replace it easily. You can purchase these, but then it's just like, all of this wax is just going to waste now, and I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sold on this. I loved it when it worked, but it didn't work that well. And I wasn't even pressing that hard. But what happened was it crinkled at about this much up, and then it crinkled, and then it just broke a whole little nubbin off. So that was very sad. But I love this tip. I love the curve. I love that it comes in this kit so that you can try it out if you're newer. And this is a very affordable way to try different ones and see what your preferences are. And before you move on up, if you even do want to move on up, because you certainly don't have to with these. So there you go. Great product, great quality. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.